Hello, gorgeous. This is Melanie, and I am here today with a little project that I'm hoping is going to just be quick and easy. We'll see what happens. Let me tell you what we've got here, and we'll get started. So what I have first is I found this at Michael's, so I thought, let's just try it. I don't think this is going to be reusable like our surfaces with Chalk Couture, but I thought for the price that I paid for this, which I think was less than $1 or less than $2, it was going to be worth it. So because it actually stands like this. Let me put that in the screen. You see how cute that is? So the next thing we're going to do is I'm using orange peel and bright white as my chalk paste. I have my pan of water right here. I've already stirred up my paste. I have my fuzzing towel, my squeegees, and a Q-tip that I can get wet and remove mistakes. And then I have my transfer. So what I want to do is on this, because it's longer, I'm going to use Let's Get Wicked over here and then the witch's hat, or vice versa. I haven't decided. Once I cut these out, I'm going to lay it out and then we're going to go from there. So let me do that and I'll be right back. I'm kind of thinking the witch's hat needs to be first and then Let's Get Wicked. What do you think? I know you can't respond. Just nod your head in agreement. I'm just kidding. All right, so that's the way I'm going to do it. And if this was a live video and if my internet would allow it, I would be doing this live and you guys would have lots of input. But at this point, I'm having to record and upload, which stinks. All right, we're going to pull off our backing paper, set that aside. We want to make sure we keep it. And we're going to set down our little witch's hat. Smooth out any bubbles. And let's do our Let's Get Wicked. The hardest part about this whole thing, you guys, is separating the stinking transfer from this stinking backing. All right, I don't know if this is going to be a lot of space between these once I'm done. If that's the case, you know, maybe I can find smaller elements and kind of fill in some gaps. I don't know. We'll see. I'm using one of my small squeegees that's been cut in half, so it's a little thinner. Oh my God, how cute. And lay my transfer face down in my water while I'm working on this other side. I don't want it to dry in there. It will come out of your transfer. I just don't like it sitting there because it could pull this all up when it dries. So let's be careful with this because you know how I do. How quick was that little project? Oh my God, how flippin' cute. I tell you what, while we've got our colors out, why don't we do a chalk chip for Halloween? I'm gonna set that aside and let that dry. I'm just gonna let it air dry while I'm getting the rest of the stuff out. You know what? I think we should try it on the white so we can use purple. Got that one stirred. It is fabulous. Oh my God, you guys, this is aubergine. Oh, how much Halloween yumminess is that right there? Yumminess. Okay, Hocus Pocus needs to be in purple. I don't know why. I'm feeling it. Oh my God, what did I tell you earlier about the adhesive sticking to the back? Holy crap. There we go. Hope my language does not bother you. All right, I'm fuzzing it. Pull it off. All we're doing is just getting a little bit of fuzz on there so it makes it a little less sticky. You can't really see it because my towel is the same color. But let's just line this little bad boy up. I'm not gonna try to get it super even. Yeah, I say that and look at me. Like probably about to measure it with my ruler. All right, pushing it all down. Getting it all smoothed out. Oops, I got way too much. Okay. And you could probably try to do two-tone on this, but why? I don't really need to. I'm just gonna get my color on there first, then I'm gonna smooth it out. And how quick, you guys, how quick. Let's just say one of your kids gets invited to a Halloween party and you kind of want to take like a little, you know, gift to the host or hostess or the mama. Just think how quickly you could make a little tag, put it on a little container with some candy corns in it and one of those little mason jars, and voila, you are done. And it's beautiful, and the person says, oh my gosh, we're going to invite your son back over and over and over again. And you're like, yay, that gives me weekends free. Okay, I'm pulling this off. Here's the reveal. Oh my God, how cute. How stinking cute. Okay, hang on. Flippin' cute. Hocus pocus. Abracadabra. You guys know what that's from? You ever seen Bugs Bunny? Polkas, polkas, abracadabra. All right, I'm stopping now. I'm sorry. I know y'all don't know me and you think I'm insane, but you'd be right. All right, and I really feel like we need to do a pumpkin and orange. Let's do it. And let's do it on the black. Orange on the black. Orange on the black. Oh, come on. 20 days and 20 nights later. All right, let's just see. Yep, looks pretty good to me. Smooth it out. Okay, let's do our pumpkin. If you're from the South, it'd be a pumpkin. I could have done that little stem in a different color, but you know what? We're just trying to show quick and easy, super quick and easy projects for Halloween. OMG, he's so flippin' cute. Holy crap, he's adorable. All right, I'm not even a huge Halloween person, but I feel like this year I'm gonna be. All right, you guys, here's the reveal. Oh, God. All right, if you haven't already, you need to get on my website, which is linked below. You need to go on there and you need to find this awesome transfer, which I'm going to tell you what this one's actually called because I don't know if I told you. I told you last time. The whole transfer set is Let's Get Wicked. You're going to pick up some orange peel and some either grape soda or some aubergine, and you're going to get a bright white, and you're going to get a squeegee, and you're going to get some chalk chips, and you're going to make some cute Halloween things. I'm super excited, you guys. All right, there we go. And also, let's not forget our Let's Get Wicked. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I am super addicted to this stuff. I'm going to put #obsessed in my title because that's what I am. And I hope you guys are too. I appreciate you watching. Thank you as always. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff, comment nice things. Tell me what you want to see next. You've seen my hauls. You maybe can decide what project we're going to work on. All right, have a good one. Thanks as always for watching.